from the Journal of Rex Chance, June 19th, 1937. It's been over a week since I first arrived on these islands. It hasn't exactly been a tropical vacation, but I feel I'm holding up well. In some ways, I feel more alive than ever. I've always excelled under pressure, and all this combat has honed my senses to a fine edge. I just don't remember feeling this aggressive before. Time to get my head out of the clouds and back to the task at hand. Velika Lepet now stands directly in our way, which means we're gonna have to do some good old-fashioned shoving to get her to step aside.
Rex Chance and his little strumpet are sure to come after me. I'll send those two bumbling brothers after them.
We're here, boss, just like you's ordered.
We are going to have visitors. Prepare your creatures for a fight. I'm sending out the scouts. Fly, my pretties. Fly!
To the best of my knowledge, this island is where Velika has set up base.
Good. It's about time we paid her a visit and told her how much we appreciate the hospitality she's shown us.
Rex, stop that bird! Good job. By the looks of it, that was one of Velika's scouts. It'll be a while before they realize that one's missing, but she's sure to have more. We need time to set up the base. Keep a lookout for more scouts, and if you spot one, take it out before it has a chance to alert Velika.
Okay. How?
Use your dart gun on anything that flies, silly. Now, let's set up base.
New objective, boss.
I've put together some new research items available at the research clinic. Henchman binoculars will increase the sight radius of our henchmen, and henchman yoke will allow them to carry more coal.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
For science. The building you requested is complete. I'll get on that directly. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base.
Sounds like a plan.
Your building is complete. How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base.
I'm on it.
A new building is complete. Yes? For science. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. The building you requested is complete.
Right.
Right away. Level 2 research is complete. spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base.
Rex Chance at your service.
We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. Your building is complete.
I'm on it. Let's go. I'm on it. Right.
What would you have me do? I'll get on that directly. How can I help you? For science. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. The building you requested is complete. Yes? We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base.
Add-ons complete.
I'll get on that directly. For some... We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. Right away. We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base.
What's next?
We've been spotted, Rex. Take out that scout before it returns to Velika's base. Yes? That shouldn't be a problem. Level 3 research is complete. Your building is complete. Great job avoiding Velika's scouts. We should really be able to get the jump on her now.
So, Monsieur Chance, do you come bearing gifts?
Well, I have a couple dozen combined creatures I wouldn't mind introducing you to.
Oh, man, so aggressive. It will take more than your wild beasts to tame me. Humphrey, Bugsy, attack this cretin.
Oh, sure thing, Mrs. Lapette. Me and my brother will show that Mr. Chance a thing or two. Yeah, we'll show him. We got new objectives.
I'll get on that directly. For science.
Ready for action. No problem.
Yes?
Objective done. Great work, boss.
How can I help you? Right away. Level 4 research is complete.
Ready, boss. All right.
The building you requested is complete. What would you have me do?
Done building. Hello. You're the boss.
science. What would you have me do? Right away.
Rex Chance at your service.
Done researching.
Your building is complete. How can I help you? For science. A new building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem.
That research you wanted is done. That research you wanted is done.
What would you have me do? Right away.
Done researching. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. Add-ons complete.
The building you requested is complete.
The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan. Right. Let's go. No problem.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Let's go. No problem.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it.
The critters are under attack.
Yes?
They're destroying our buildings.
For science.
Ready. No problem.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Level 5 research is complete.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Sounds like a plan.
Done researching. Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack.
Ready. Right.
Our base is under attack. The critters are under attack.
What's next?
That research you wanted is done. They're destroying our buildings. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. Let's go.
Objective done. Great work, boys. Done researching. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked.
Ready for action.
The critters are under attack.
No problem.
The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack.
Last chance to surrender. Oh, too late. I'm going to kill you.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Our base is under attack. Done researching. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Done researching. Objective done. Great work, boss. Boxy, my long-lost brother. We only just found each other last week. You better watch yourself, Rex Chance. I'm coming for you.
He sounds pretty angry, Rex.
Good. That means he's not likely to think strategically, and he'll be less of a threat. We've got a straight shot to Velika's lab. We should try and take it out.
Taking out the other henchmen first might be a safer bet, Rex. But it's your decision. This coal pile has been depleted. How can I help you?
Ready, boss.
Yes? I'll get on that directly.
Boss? All right.
Ready. Let's go.
Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Hello. Okay. Ready, boss. The critters are under attack. All right. The critters are under attack. Building's done. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
What would you have me do? How can I help you?
The critters are under attack.
For science.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
A new building is complete.
The critters are under attack. Done researching.
Ready for action.
The critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. Objective done. Great work, boss.
That's both brothers, Rex. Now we can put a stop to Velika.
I want to show you my special blend. French, rose.
The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. This coal pile is out of coal. Hello. You're the boss.
Yes? That shouldn't be a problem.
The critters are under attack. Boss? All right. The critters are under attack. Done building. The critters are under attack. 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 The critters are under attack.
This is terrible. I must get away. My beautiful love, my gorgeous wardrobe, my pearls. They'll pay for this. This isn't possible.
Gravity 1, Velika 0. Hey, what gives? We won.
I never expected to see the technology misused like this. We've got to stop the rest of them.
Slow down, sister. The villages are safe. Velika's grounded. Why don't we enjoy the sunset together?